In this video, I will show you how to add another Roblox account on PC. Now, I'll be showing you how to do this today on the Roblox website. So what you want to do is open up an internet browser and log into your Roblox account. Now, once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner of Roblox, click onto the gear icon up here, you're going to see an option in this menu to switch accounts. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. So you're going to see the account you're currently logged into, but all you want to do is click onto the add account option. What you can then do is log in with your other Roblox account. So just enter the details and click onto login. Once you've done that, it's going to log into your other Roblox account, and you'll now see if you come back up to the top right hand corner, click onto the gear icon and click onto switch accounts, that you have the additional account added, and you can quickly switch between your accounts just by selecting your account from the window here. As you can see, it says we switched to our other account. So that is how to add another Roblox account on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.